What's up, everybody? It's your boy Heaven Sin. This is my smoking channel. Today's video I'm just going to be session for you guys. It's not the morning time. It's actually, what is it? It's not the afternoon time. This is going to be more towards the evening time, my evening session. It's a little bit after 5 o'clock right now. So I missed 420 by a little bit. I didn't really miss 420. I definitely took a blinker at 420. But I mean, this video shot a little bit after that. I didn't have a wake and bake this morning, or excuse me, I didn't upload my wake and bake this morning. I definitely filmed one and smoked, but I just didn't like the footage, so I didn't upload it. That's how it is going to be for a lot of the videos on this channel. If you ever wondering why I don't upload at a certain time, it's not because I didn't like record a video, it's just because I didn't put the out the footage. Just had to change from my Bluetooth speaker to the normal sound because my shit died. But that happened. So the vape I'm using in today's video is my Geek Vape Aegis Boost. I'm charging my Geek Vape Aegis X. Been charging that shit since this morning, but the little charging port is acting all funny. So instead I'm just charging the batteries externally through a different device, because I don't have an external battery charger. So I'm just using a different device I have, but it's only a 18650 mod device, so I have to charge each battery separately. Fuck it though. The juice that I'm using is a banger. It's some ice. It's called Nebula by Warped Vapor. It's ice limeade. So it's like lemons, lime, and ice, which would be like menthol. Really fire juice. I like this little device. I've been using it today while my shit was charging. But I like how it's small, sleek, and how you can still get big clouds from it. But what's a little quirk I have about it is it goes through a lot of juice though. I probably filled it up already at least like 3 times today. Not all the way up, but like at least like pretty full. And I've vaped through all those tanks of juice, so it goes through juice pretty fast. Like always, you guys are vaping along. Let me know what you're vaping on. Whether it's a box mod, pod mod, like what I got, squonker. Fuck, if you're smoking a cigarette, let me know what type of cigarette you're smoking. I will be taking blinkers in this video as well. The company, the cartridge I'll be taking blinkers on is from a company called Free Cannabis Co. I like to smoke their products. I like to use their products as really good medicine as far as medical marijuana goes. This cart is their, see there, focus. This is their their strawberry cough distillate cart with live resin terpenes. So it's really nice tasting cart. It tastes like a hint of strawberry with like a flower taste mostly. But I haven't taken a blinker yet. I'm gonna wait until this video reaches 4 minutes and 20 seconds, then take a blinker. Just because I want to be funny. Alright, if you guys got a cart, make sure you're taking a blinker all along with me. Here we go, cheers. Really tasty cart. I've been taking blinkers off this cartridge I think for 2 days straight now, and it's like this much used, and it's still not clogged yet, so it's a pretty good cart. Pretty clear distillate as well. Like always, if you guys are smoking some weed along, let me know what you're smoking on THC wise. Whether it's a blunt, a joint, a bong, a pipe, wax, shatter, I mean like butter, however you guys are smoking, let me know. As long as it's dank. If you're smoking some Reggie, don't even let me know. Because I only smoke Reggie in the mornings, okay? If you know this channel, then you know that I only smoke Reggie in the morning. Any other time, you gotta smoke some fire shit so you get paid. I didn't want to record this video just because I didn't like the video I recorded earlier as far as my wake and bake sessions goes. And I definitely needed some footage to drop today. Staying faithful with my daily uploads. Definitely gonna pay off in the long run. I like looking at my channel and seeing 100 plus videos. I'm definitely gonna like it even more when I see 200 plus or 300 plus. Oh yeah, and I don't think I mentioned it yet in a video, but I recently reached 100 subscribers. I think at this point I'm now at like 111 at the time I'm filming this video, but I just wanted to give a big thank you to everybody that's been there since the beginning. I know a lot of you guys have been faithful in the comments and have been faithful on all my new videos that drop. So I just want to give a big shout out to all of the faithful subscribers that I have. We ain't going anywhere but up from here. It's going to be definitely a good journey, a good YouTube journey. When I get around 2,500 subscribers is when I want to start doing live streaming, so that should definitely be fun. All we got to do is do this 25 more times, get 100 subscribers 25 more times. It's not hard. Should be able to do that pretty quickly, at least quicker than I gained these 100 subscribers, I hope. But yeah, if you guys are watching these videos and you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy the videos, make sure, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to slap the like button down below. If you guys have any comments or criticisms, like always, let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure to respond to you guys as soon as I can, each individually. But until another, not until another video, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and subscribe so I know to keep producing content that's just like this. Yeah, probably just gonna take one more blinker, call it a video. But this is my midday session. Nothing too special. Just vaping on my Aegis Boost and a cartridge. Like I said before, let me know what you guys are smoking on in the comment section down below. I'm gonna take another hit. You guys got a pen, make sure you're taking a blinker along with me, because it's funner that way. Cheers. Really tasty, and it gets the job done at the same time. That dab so it's definitely kicking. Lung expansion's there. You feel the sensitivity to light. Really good cart. It's a sativa, so I'm feeling good. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I don't want to take too long. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and check out some of my other pieces of content. They're all on a pretty similar note. Be sure to enjoy them as well. Until another day, my name is Heavenson. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay high. Vape 'em if you got 'em. Peace out.